Hello. I do hope nobody's in. I didn't get this done last night because I was late. I couldn't get into the live stream, so my little white lightning for Sheena, my crown, and my chilly dress. So I'm just quickly going to do it, and then I'm going to disappear. Somebody's going to have to put this on YouTube for me because I don't know how to Scooby. Okay? So, I, Heather Wright, I'm over 18 years of age and of sound mind, and I've read and understood the product disclaimer on the League of Fire website. I accept that the League of Fire, their suppliers and manufacturers, nor Nook, Chiliheads or whoever, understand no circumstances, will be responsible for or liable to any claims of injury or damage arising from consuming of the products or multiples thereof. I acknowledge and agree to this fact without question and take on this challenge of my own free will. And Sons of Fire. Sons of Fire are very, very, and well, women of fire, because we're mental. Off it goes, off with its head. It's 10 o'clock in the morning, Dave. 10 o'clock. Badoo! Dress! I got it on. You can be the only person watching. That thing. It's going to kill me, isn't it? Hello, Johnny Exborough. Private group, oh yes. Do you think that was a naughty wee voice? No, I only have one device, unfortunately. My laptop doesn't work right, so stinks. It stinks. I hate Reapers and I can't stand white chocolate. But I said last night we'd do it. I've had worse. Had a lot worse. It doesn't matter, it's only 1 point. But I still said I would do it. I just thought I'd get the dress on. I'm not bothered. League of Fire doesn't bother. Only but enough other stupid things to do, haven't I? Happy Valentines to you, Dave. I'm not getting any Valentines. Nobody loves me unless my granddaughter sends me some. Heat-wise, that's probably better. Too. No! Definitely not. I'm an old granny. Oh, dearie me. You make me laugh. Where's Mr. Overthroat to protect me? I'm definitely not looking forward to Friday. That is going to scare the bejabbers out me. Give somebody a cup of milk. I ain't looking forward to that little devil. Anywho, that was it. I'm sure somebody else will find me. Hello, Jason. I love your accent. It's like all my cowboy dreams come to true. It's all I ever wanted when I was a wee girl. So it was. It's not even mine. It's not even mine. I'm going to have to make one. It's not fair. Annie will be chasing me. But that was it. I just thought I'd come on. I'm going to have to go and put my jammies back on. So I haven't got my face on. I've got a runny nose. I don't have a hanky. I might come in for a jug later on. Seen him all tarted up like an old trout. Doing Leith Walk. Be my Valentine's right with you boys. Anyway, it's laters.